In this problem, we have to find two unknown numbers m and n, which are making this quadratic equation m square minus n factorial is equals to 1996. This equation can also be written as m square is equals to 1996 plus n factorial. Now multiply and divide by 4. This equation becomes 4 multiply 1996 divided by 4 is equals to 499 plus n factorial divided by 4. So this equation simplifies to m square is equals to 4 can be written as 2 square multiply 499 plus n factorial divided by 4. Well, as left side of this equation is square of m, therefore this term 2 square multiply 499 plus n factorial divided by 4 shall also be a square. As we can see, 2 square is already a square term, therefore to make this whole term as a square, this term 499 plus n factorial divided by 4 shall also be a square. Well, 499 plus n factorial divided by 4 can be a square only when n factorial divided by 4 is greater than or equals to 1 and a natural number. Which is possible only when n is greater than or equals to 4. Therefore, when n equals to 5, this term n factorial divided by 4 will be equals to 5 factorial divided by 4 equals to 5 factorial is 120 divided by 4 equals to 30. Therefore, m square is equals to 499 plus n factorial divided by 4 is 30 multiply 2 square. M square equals to 499 plus 30 is 529 multiply 2 square. 529 is equals to 23 square multiply 2 square, so it is going to be equals to 46 square. So m equals to 46 when n equals to 5. So this is our answer. M equals to 46, n equals to 5 is going to satisfy this equation.